How many of us, you're driving by yourself, you just talk to Allah. You can talk in English, it's okay. One day in Arabic, inshallah. Talk in English. Ya Allah, I've done some pretty messed up things. You know. Spell them out. Spell them out until you cry. Ya Allah, I want to change. I don't want to do that anymore. Help me change. I don't want to make excuses. I already learned al-ma'adhiru makatib. I don't want to be that person. That's, you are in full view of yourself. You know exactly what you're capable of. And what we do as human beings, we put a front up. We put a facade up for other people. We put an image of ourselves up before others. Of course, I don't lay my sins out to you and you don't lay your sins out to me. And that's how we're supposed to. So we all have good opinion of each other. But you know what? You keep a front up for so long that you forget that there's another reality to you that's not the one that you present before the world. That's the one in the mirror. And you start faking. The fake you is what you see in the mirror. You're supposed to see the real you in the mirror, not the fake one. You have to be honest to yourself. Take a good look at your own self. بَلِ الْإِنسَانُ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ بَصِيرًا وَلَوْ even if أَلْقَى مَعَاذِيرًا. He keeps throwing excuses. He's got a justification for pretty much everything he or she does. You can't point a finger at them at all. Allah is not, and by the way, that self-defense mechanism that all of us have, if you criticize me, I'll defend myself. Why'd you say that? Well, it's wrong, but, and then there's a paragraph. Why'd you do that? Yeah, I know I shouldn't do that, but you should consider, and then paragraph. There's always a rationale. But you know what? Give your rationale to the judge. Give it to the cop. Give it to the teacher. Give it to your parents. Give it to the wife. Give it to the husband. Don't give it to yourself. To yourself, stop throwing excuses. Admit. First thing Adam alayhi salam was taught, once he came to the earth, is so powerful. First thing he was taught was admission. It's so powerful. Adam alayhi salam made an error. And Allah told him, I will send you guidance. فَإِمَّا يَأْتِيَنَّكُم مِّنِّي هُدًى. When he comes to the earth, the first instruction to him, رَبَّنَا ظَلَمْنَا أَنفُسَنَا. We wronged ourselves, admit it. Before Allah taught him to ask for forgiveness, وَإِن لَمْ تَغْفِرْ لَنَا وَتَرْحَمْنَا. Before you ask for forgiveness, you got to admit. Otherwise, your asking for forgiveness is empty, it's hollow. That's why really the khutbah from Arafat, Yawm al-Arafah, still rings in my head. أول شيء قاله الخطيب رحمه الله يرحمه الله وحفظه الله قال هذا اليوم ليس فقط يوم الدعاء فإنه يوم الاعتراف. It's not just the day of dua, it's the day of admission. Admit yourself. اعترف من أنت. Accept, admit who you are. أمام الله عز وجل. Admit who you are before Allah and then ask. كلا. No. Then he comes back to the Quraysh. بَلْ تُحِبُّونَ الْعَاجِلَ. You people love to rush. All of you people. The Prophet is rushing to memorize Qur'an, but you people love to rush to get to the things you want. These petty temptations of yours. وَتَذَرُونَ الْآخِرَةَ. And you cast away the akhirah. You leave it behind.